Right now, he's focused on conquering this powder run in the Swiss Alps. She's soaking in the view from her hotel room in Tokyo. They're considering extending their trip indefinitely. These travelers are thinking about anything other than their healthcare because they're all members of Mayo Clinic 365 Concierge Medicine. And they know that if they get unexpectedly ill or injured away from home, Mayo Clinic 365 offers an all-access pass to world-class care and support. Anytime, anywhere, 24/7, 365. With this private membership-based program, you'll experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing Mayo Clinic physicians are available to you day or night, wherever you are in the world. Where doctors can diagnose your symptoms and provide immediate treatment for you remotely, often using prescribed medications found inside your personal medical kit that accompanies our members on their travels. Or feel the relief that comes with knowing that in the rare event you're injured abroad, our emergency global medical evacuation coverage will help us coordinate care for you with top international providers to get you back home safely. Mayo Clinic 365 offers a concierge medicine experience unlike any other. One that adapts to your personal health needs, your schedule, and your life, wherever life takes you. 24/7, 365. Contact us to learn more about Mayo Clinic 365 membership and benefits.